Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at contract management from CRM service. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of contract template and contract, creation of entitlement against contract, then we will see the contract activation process. For creation of contract template and contract, we need to log into Brilbook. Here, I have logged in with service user. For creation of contract template, navigate to the service menu category and expand the setup menu group. Then click on the contract templates menu. Now I'm going to create a new contract template with the help of this create button. As you can see here, our contract create page has been opened. Now I'm going to add the details in required field to create a new contract template. Here I'm going to add the contract template name as contract template for ball bearing. Then select the type from comprehensive AMC or call basis AMC. Here I'm going to select the comprehensive AMC for this contract. Then select the billing frequency. Then navigate to the support section. Select the support type from 24/7 or on specific days. If you selected the 24/7, all the fields from support section except currency are get hide. If you select the specific days, the weekdays, support time from and support time to field get visible on this support section. Here I am going to set the support type as on specific days. Then select the weekdays as Monday, Tuesday and Friday. You can choose the day as per your requirement. Then I'm going to add the support time from as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can set the currency for this contract template as per your requirement. Now I'm going to save this contract template record with the help of the save button. Here our contract template has been successfully created and contract lines and entitlement tabs appeared on the contract detail page. Now I'm going to create a contract line for this contract template. For that, navigate to the contract line tab and click on the create button. Here our contract line create page has been opened. Now I'm going to add the name in the basic section as maintenance service. You can add the base amount details and taxes details over here. Now I'm going to save and close this contract line. In a similar way, you can create a multiple lines for this contract. Here I'm going to add the another contract line for this contract as a agreed services. As you can see on the contract lines tab, both the contract lines has successfully added. Now we are going to create new entitlement record for this contract template. For creation of entitlements, Navigate to the Entitlements tab and click on the Create button. As you can see, our Entitlement Create page has been opened and basic and additional section appeared on the Entitlement Create page. Now I'm going to add the required details to create the entitlement record. Here I'm going to add the name for this entitlement as 5% off on agreed services. Then select the entitlement type. Here I'm going to select the entitlement type as number of cases. Then select the source from this list. Here I'm going to select the phone as a source. Then you can select the deduction on from case resolution or case creation. Then add the total allotment. Here I'm going to add the 10 allotment for this entitlement and then select the product for this entitlement. Once all the required details filled in the creation form, click on Save and Close button to save this entitlement record. As you can see on the Entitlement tab, our entitlement record has been successfully created. Now, our next step is to create a contract using this contract template. For creation of contract, navigate to the Customers menu group and click on the contracts. Now I'm going to create a new contract record with the help of this create button. As you can see here, our contract create page has been opened and except contract by and template, all the fields from this form are read only. You can select the contract by as form and add the details in basic, additional and billing and pricing section as per your requirement, or you can select the template in contract by field and select the template from the existing created contract template. Here I'm going to select the existing created contract template. As you can see, some of the fields get filled from the contract template. Now I'm going to add the details in required field to create this contract record. Here I'm going to add the regarding for this contract as account of R3 drugs. Now I'm going to add the contact person for this contract as Raj Pawar. Then add the contact phone number. Then add the valid email address for this contact. Then add the billing address and service address. Then move towards the additional section. Add the start date for this contract and end date for this contract. Then you can change or add the details in the billing and pricing section. You can add the tax group details i- in billing and pricing section as per your requirement. Once all the details are filled on the contract create page, click on the save button to save this contract record. Here our contract record has been successfully created and contract lines and entitlement and files tab appeared on the contract detail page. Navigate to the contract lines tab. As you can see here, our both the contract lines are created from the selected contract template record. Then navigate to the entitlements tab. As you can see, our entitlement record has been created from the selected contract template record. Now I'm going to add the another entitlement record for this contract. For that, navigate to the create button. Here I'm going to add the details in basic and additional section to create the entitlement record. Here I'm going to add the name for this entitlement as free to maintenance services for 1 year. Then select the entitlement type. Then move towards the additional section and select source. You can change the deduction on as case creation or case resolution. Here I'm going to set the case resolution for this entitlement. Then you can add the total allotment for this entitlement and then select the product from existing list. Once you done, click on the save and close button. After click on save and close button, we will redirect to the contract detail page, and on entitlement tab you can see our new entitlement record has been successfully added. Now our next step is to activation of contract. Navigate to the details tab. As you can see here, our start date for this contract is 23rd of June 2025. Once the current date hit to the start date, our contract get activated successfully. It means our contract get automatically activated once start date is equal to our current date and the status of this contract become activate. So in this contract management video, we have seen the creation of contract template and contract, creation of entitlement against contract, and contract activation. Thank you.